Okay guys, welcome to this short introduction where I'm going to be showing you how to get access to my WordPress website development course. Now in this introduction, I'm going to show you what you will get access to when you get this course and also the bonuses attached to it. Now, but before anything, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Imosimi. Now, the founder of Crown Tech Digital Concept. Now, let me just show you myself so you won't say, now, this is me. So, this is what I do. I'm a website developer. Now, these are all my details: YouTube channel, Facebook, phone number. You can come here and pick anyone up to see more about me. Now, back to why we are here. Now, this course is going to show us how we can design websites using WordPress alone. Now, a lot of people have challenges developing websites because they cannot write code, or they do not know any programming language. Now, in this course, I'm going to solve that issue by putting you through the step-by-step and easy and smart method whereby you can be able to develop sites making use of WordPress. Now, this course is not for everyone, and it cannot be for everyone. Now, it is only for those people who are ready to take charge of their life, who want to learn how to design websites the smart way. Now, or for those people who don't really have the time to go through the stress of writing codes. Now, this is going to solve all those problems. Now, what do we have in this course? What do we get access to in this course? Now, let me show you what you are going to be getting access to when you get this course. Now, this is the WordPress development website. Now, in this course, you'll be having access to 15 videos which are well detailed. Now, you'll be learning how to design all different form of website. Now, if I click on this to go to this link, you are going to be seeing what you are going to be learning all by yourself. Now, which are how to introduction to web design, how to get
welcome guys to this training,
domains and hosting, how to clone a website, how to do plugin and template installation for your website, how to design a corporate website. We have how to create a portfolio website using WordPress, how to design an e-commerce website with a payment gateway, how to create a free landing page, and also how to set up a blog which will be approved by Google AdSense or any ads network. Now, we have seen what we have. Then also we'll be learning how to design a courier logistic tracking website with live chat or with WordPress. Now, we are going to be learning all this in this course. Now, after that, I put in some bonus all for you. Now, one of the bonus you'll be getting access to is how you can get premium plugins and templates all by yourself. Now, I'll give you access to the premium themes that I use, and all the premium template I use in this training. I'll be giving you access to them for free. Then secondly, you learn how you can get website design client. Now, the challenges most people face is that after they learn a skills, they don't actually have the potential to make money from that skills. Now, I'm going to be explaining in details ways you can use to make money as a web developer or as a WordPress developer, and also how you can sell your skills both as an information and also as a service. Now, you'll be able to get web design clients all for free. Now, how to get premium login and plugin. Now, we have premium templates and plugin that we use for WordPress. We all know that plugin make the functionality of our website so easy, why the template is the appearance. Now, there are some plugin and template that they are paid. How do you now get them for free? This is what I'm going to be showing you in this part. Then the fourth bonus is how you can upload videos on YouTube and start making money for yourself, which I call the YouTube marketing course. Now I'm going to be explaining in details what you can do that you can easily get, that your videos can easily rank on YouTube easily, and also how you can get easy ways to get watch hours and subscriber at a cheaper rate that will not affect you. Then lastly, the bonus I'm going to be showing us is what I'll give us access, or I'll give you access to my mentorship group, where you can learn from other people and also from me what I do to make money online as a website developer. Now these are the premium themes used in this course. So let me click on it for you. Now I'll be giving you access to these 5 powerful templates and plugins. I'll be giving you access to all these 5 powerful tools that will make your website design journey easy, and that I use to explain things in the course. Now, having gotten access to all this, you can see that your website design journey will be easy. Now, if you have made up your mind to get this course, what I want you to do is just check the description of this video. I'm going to be dropping a link on how to get the full and the complete WordPress development course all from me. Now, if you click on the link I'm going to be giving to you, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. It's going to be taking you to somewhere like this. So let me now it will take you to this place. No, all you just need to do is just click on the buy button to get this course all for yourself, and you get access to everything I have explained. You can see a lot of review. Now, before I take off this video, let me show you all the reviews that we have gotten from our previous students. So we have our website design testimonials. Now we have a lot of reviews, but I'm going to be showing you few out of them. Now we can see now this from a guy: "You are one of the most responsible person I've met, very trustworthy when it comes to business. I actually designed websites for this guy." Then we have the web design class I run. "To be honest, you are one of the best teacher I've met online." Now you can see that all these people can never be wrong. All of these people can never be wrong. Now this from Facebook: "The great privilege to be one of your students and witness this life-changing opportunity." Now on to the next. "My mentor, I really commend your efforts, sir. You are doing a great job." Now I can boldly say it anyway that I'm a good website designer. Now let's see the next one. So we can see this is a class I just concluded in this January, as at the time of recording this video. Now you can see great lesson, great value delivery. So let's check more of it. Now this guy is actually one of my students. He designed a website for himself. He says, "Thanks for that video. It's dey easy to understand, sha, even though the stuff need wisdom, sha, because my file manager no extract the themes, I go extract manually." So this is it. Because I taught him how to design websites in a very fast and smarter way. Now this is also a guy. Those videos taught me a lot, from knowing nothing in WordPress to flexing as a WordPress developer. Now, having seen all this, you can see that there are proof to show that this course will actually take you from zero knowledge in WordPress to an advanced knowledge. Now if this is what you also want for yourself, just go to the description button, just click on the link in the description tab or button, and get the course for yourself. Thank you very much. My name is Daniel.